The one other thing we talked about with sequences is recursive. It's a different way to write out a sequence, so to explain how you're getting from one thing to the next. So let's check out number 13. We want to find the first 4 terms. Okay, so I'm just going to write 4 blanks because that's what we need. And they've told us right here that the first term is -3. See, look how good we're doing already. Now, what this next thing tells us, it tells us how to get to the next term. Okay, so if you want to find an plus 1, you take 2 times an. Well, an is just the number before. So this is telling you to take 2 times the number before and add 1. So to get the second term, we're going to take 2 times the number before and add 1, which is going to give us -5. And then to get this number, we're going to take 2 times the number before and add 1, which is going to give us -9. And then to get this number, we're going to take 2 times the number before and add 1, -17. Okay, so that's what this statement was telling you. Okay, to get any term, you take 2 times the number before and add 1. And that's a recursive formula. Another sequence we talked about was the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence where you have to know the first 2 numbers, and then to find the next number, you add the 2 before that. Let me show you. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So if we want to find the next 3 numbers, we're going to do 8 plus 13 is 21. The next number, we'll do 13 plus 21, which is 44. Nope, how about 34? And then 21 plus 34 is 55. Okay, so the next 3 terms, in case you can't see those, are 21, 34, and 55. Okay, and that's just a special sequence called the Fibonacci sequence. All right, we have 2 kind of application problems we'll take a look at. Tim is sending a photo to 3 friends on Monday, and then on Tuesday, each of those 3 friends send the photo to 3 more friends. And then that happens on Wednesday, where everybody sends it to 3 more friends, and then Thursday, same thing, and then Friday, how many total people will have seen it by Friday? So what I want to do is think about this as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So on Monday, 3 friends have seen it. Each of those friends sends it to 3 more people, so we need to multiply. So 3 times 3 is 9. Tuesday, 9 more people have seen it. Each of those 9 people send it to 3 new people, so multiply by 3. So Wednesday has 27. Multiply that by 3. 81 new people see it on Thursday. And on Friday, times that by 3, 243. We want to know how many total people have seen it, so we are going to take this and add them up. 243 plus 81 plus 27 plus 9 plus 3 gives us 363 people have seen the photo by Friday. I guess 364 if you want to count Tim, but whatever. All right. Justin has credit card debt of $700, and it's charged 3% interest each month. He's only able to pay $120 each month. So we've got a recursive formula that describes his balance. We want to know his balance by the 5th month. So let me write down what we need here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is really similar to the recursive problem we did, question 13 or something. So they have told us where to start. The first term is $700. That's how much he owes on his credit card. This formula tells you how to get to the next term. You take 1.03 times the term that comes before and subtract 120. Okay, because whatever he owes on his credit card bill, it gets charged interest. That's the 1.03, and then he makes a payment. So to find this second month, we're going to take 1.03 times 700 and subtract 120. That was a 700 in case you can't tell. So 1.03 times 700 minus 120. So after the second month, he now has $601 of credit card debt. Now the third month, he gets charged interest on that $601. So we're going to take 1.03 times 601, and we're going to subtract 120 because he's going to make a payment. And now he owes 499.03. Now the next month, he is charged interest on that $499.03, but then he makes a payment. So we're going to do 1.03 times that 499.03, make our payments. And now he owes 394. There's some decimals to that, but I'm just going to round to the nearest cent. And then finally, the fifth month, we have his interest is charged again on that $394, but he's going to make a payment. So 394 minus 120. And so by the fifth month, he is 285.82. So that's his balance by the fifth month. Okay, so that was just a recursive formula like we saw before. All right, the last two problems on this review, we ended up not talking about these things. They're annuities, basically. So you can skip 17 and 18. I took those problems off the test. You do not need to know those. But this is everything that you need to know for the test that you're going to make up. Just a reminder, these formulas will be on the test. You'll have access to them. You need to know how to use them.